Welcome back to my channel, my friends. Today is a highly requested video, what I eat in a day. Everything that I eat in a day. Normally don't do this because I eat pretty much the same thing every day. I only change my dinner, but pretty much breakfast, lunch, snack is almost the same. So I just woke up and I had some water. I'm gonna have my coffee and I'm gonna go for a run, so stay tuned. Not tracking calories at the moment, but because I've tracked for so many years, I know I know hopefully how many calories I'm eating in a day. Isn't a controversial opinion, but I do think tracking calories is super valuable, especially if you've never done this before. You get to understand more about food, about portion sizes, if you're in a fat loss phase or if you want to build some muscles. I think it helps a lot to understand your body and your food choices. I used to be obsessed with tracking calories and this is not a good thing, but it is a beneficial tool. This is cute, isn't it? During the day I'm quite busy, so I don't stop a lot during the day to cook. I do like to cook in the evenings. This is loud! These are definitely my favorite shoes to run. It is the Vaporfly, but I think is it 3%, but 3 or something like that. So I'm gonna put on I'm gonna put the link in the description box. It's so hard today. Whew. It's so windy. I don't understand. That was so hard. The floor was so slippery and it was windy and I wasn't feeling it. So now I'm gonna shower and then breakfast. The best feeling. Post run, post shower. I love that. I put something green today because it's St. Patrick's Day today. I have some friends going to a pub like nearby and they have this massive party. Might go, but I don't know. As you can see, I didn't wash my hair and I didn't sweat too much, to be honest, because it was so windy today. I'm gonna prepare my protein oats. I've been having this breakfast for the past, how many years? Like 10 years? It really fills me up. I normally weight my food 50 or 60 grams of protein of oats. Most of the days I use water, but today I have this almond milk. This is going to be so good. I love a protein powder. I normally have my oats with some protein powder. So today I'm gonna use these chocolate cookies. If you're not taking protein powder, what are you waiting for? With one scoop, you have 24 grams of protein. This is incredible.
Seem like the more I fly, the more they try to take me down. I call your phone, I treat your voice like it's my favorite sound. Your face the only piece I've known, I'm just gonna face it now. But I try to be.
One of the things that is so important and people often forget about it is water. This is a 1 liter bottle and I normally go through 3 of these during the day. Also get some coffee, some tea sometimes. And for me, having these kind of bottles helps so much because hey, you get it's like the times and some motivational messages. It's quite fun. And here, this bottle, for example, you have, oh my god, you have this bit in here. If you're someone who don't like water, you can put some fruits in here, like some watermelon or maybe some mint, cucumber, and then you have some flavored water. So don't forget to hydrate. And now it's time to work. I have lots to do today. I have new clients to set up. I have some editing to do. I have some clients checking. Time just flew by. I just forgot to eat. I was so deep into work. We're gonna have lunch and I know now is the time that you guys are gonna hate this video. But before, hear me out. This meal is super balanced. I quite like it and it's super easy to make. I am going to have 4 eggs, like two whole eggs and 2 egg whites with frozen vegetables that I'm gonna pop in the microwave. and some sweet potatoes. Chef kiss. If you follow me on TikTok, you probably saw this before because I quite like eggs. I have this thing that you put your eggs in here and it boils the eggs for you. It comes out perfect every time. I know it's not the most appetizer plate, but it's delicious, I promise you. I'm gonna put some mustard in my eggs. It's 7 p.m. It's 7 p.m. We didn't go out. I was super excited to go out, but I kind of knew I wasn't going. So now I'm gonna cook dinner. So half I went downstairs, like the grocery shop, just to get some salmon. So we're gonna make this kind of like a temaki, but in a different way. So I'm gonna show you after, and then we are gonna probably watch something here.
I give you all of me, but I try to be the change I wanna see. If you fight for me, I give you all of me. You see, baby, I am what I am, and I am but a man, and I'd have to lie to be pure. I feel infinite when we intimate, and although I've tried it before and I try to be more, the reality is I'd have to die to be sure. And I'm not sure you know what it means to me when I bathe in your rays and they end up cleaning me without demeaning me. Your demeanor on deity, I hope you feel free to be everything you need to be.
I believe love is not a noun, but a verb. It is an action. It has depth. It has meaning. Love is more than just an I love you. Love is patient. It's selfless. It's respectful, caring, and accepting. Love is unconditional.
We just made this, it's like a temaki sandwich with salmon, cucumber, avocado. You had lots of fun making it. Don't you? I'm laughing so much. It's cracking up. Yeah, it was so much fun to make it. I always have one of these. It's like my treat. Love it. How many can you eat? So I like Japanese food. I think it is Japanese, yeah. What a day, my friends! I was so freaking tired. Now I'm gonna make my skincare routine. So you guys know that I'm trying to fight my dark spots, my hyperpigmentation. I've been really good in my my skincare routine. I'm gonna put all the products. I think I have four steps, not the main. I'm gonna cleanse my skin, put the serum, put the hyperpigmentation treatment, then hydration, and there's one more. No, cleanse, serum, hyperpigmentation, and hydration. Yeah, 4 steps. I'm gonna go to bed, I'm gonna watch something, and I'm gonna have my protein pudding. I always finish my day with some sweets. I love sweets. I'm gonna put somewhere here the total calories of the day, the macros of the day, and I hope this has helped you. In the comments, tell me what sort of video you like to see next. And if you're not subscribed, what you waiting for? Subscribe, hit the like button below, it helps me a lot. Yeah, bye.